Hi guys, last couple of days we're working on this beautiful Audi R8 and we did enhancement package plus a couple of extra as a smart repair. We repaint the front bumper, we did the stone chips, and with the terms of the enhancement package we did completely decontamination, two-stage polishing, and we sealed the car with the ceramic coating for 4 years. Plus, once we move inside, we did the wet and dry mats, completely steam interior and protected with the leather conditioner, feed the skin lychee, and it's protect and preserve. So now we're moving to the interior, guys, and we did already hoover, and between the skin of the leather seats, lychee, what we're going to do, lift the dirt, any edges, we blow all the dirt out, and after we steam it with the steamer and feed it with the leather conditioner finally. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I love to share a couple of things with you, what we did with the Audi R8 and in terms of exhausts. So after literally 6 years, no one touched this exhaust, no one protected this exhaust. So literally just been washing outside. What I love to do deep decontamination, and literally what we did with certain products, I love to share with you inside an exhaust. I love to restore them and bring them back and polish them to the perfection. Obviously, the restoration went about 75–85% because no one touched that for 6 years. So what we did literally, there was some rusty parts, so I did use the metal brush, just gentle. After that, obviously, we went for a couple of levels of the parts. This is really like hard hair, so did work beautifully. And again, I use a lovely product from the mothers, and this literally compound, I let it sit for 15–20 minutes, and after I polish with a cloth. There are like multiple cloths all together, and literally it's really safe to use. Like I said, just need to put a little bit of compounder inside, let it sit for 15–20 minutes, and after that just start polishing off. What happened after, everything become too dark black, which is no problem because you will polish it with a microfiber towel after. So will be protect and will be nice, shiny, glossy again. So again, in terms of polishing, what we did with this vehicle, in certain part I have to go much more deeper. So I use the shock which is cut 2, extreme cut in a certain part. Just go gently on that. And after, for refined it, second stage, we use a first step compounder S20 black shoe. That was the second one, and third one was for refining S30 swill remover. So that was the last one. And again, because it's got so many multiple layers, this car, and different angles, we use 1-inch polisher, as you see, 1 inch, and we move to 5 inches and 6 inches polisher. This is 6 and this is 5. It's very important to use right parts for right panels. I mean, for different variety of the car, so we don't burn literally the edges of the car, okay? And after we seal it with a ceramic coating in the end.